So the next hack I want to try is to make my own illuminator, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, tea tree oil, and MAC Prep and Prime. So I'm gonna mix these three and see if it will make me an illuminator. Just the highlighter in here, I'm gonna spray it like this with the Prep and Prime, and I'm going to put the Sabiha. This is by Sabiha Oils. It's tea tree oil. The reason I've used this is to give me that oil, and the Prep and Prime is for the glow, and just to mix everything together. And I also love the smell of tea tree, so I'm going to use this to mix it up. I've added pink and yellowish highlighter because this one is too golden, and I want a mixture. Yeah, so there goes the homemade, exclusively homemade illuminator. So we're gonna try this. I've been longing for this, man. Oh, this is so good. I feel so good right now. The tea tree oil is everything, guys. That tea tree oil is making me feel so refreshed. It will blend it out with this brush, my beauty blender, to blend it in completely to my skin, how my face looks like. So for foundation, I'm going to use these two shades of my Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's the number 356 and number 60 caramel. I'm going to blend using my flat foundation brush. That's what it looks like. Next, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm using the Elita to concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. I'm going to use number 45 of Fit Me concealer, the one that I used to clean my eyebrows. I'm then going to set my face, and I'm using my Maybelline Master Fix Setting Perfecting Loose Powder, and I'm going to apply that using my beauty blender. So I just push it into the skin like that. Next, I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush to add color to my face. I'll take my Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. So I want to highlight my face. I'll first use a bit of the illuminator I mixed, and I have to apply it this fast. Very fast, blend it very fast. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Joanna K Free Spirit and Maybelline Superstay in the shade Fighter.